Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to brighten the background picture in PowerPoint. First, go to PowerPoint and create a new presentation or open an existing one. Delete everything and now right-click on the background and click on Format Background. Here you can add a solid fill, a gradient fill, a picture or texture fill, or a pattern fill. Let's go to picture or texture fill. Click on File if you want to insert a picture from your computer. Clipboard if you have already copied a picture, or online if you want to insert an online picture. I will just go ahead and click on online. And here, let's select a picture. This one, for example, or this one, and then click on Insert. Now you can go to the effect, select one of the artistic effects, or you can go to picture to edit the picture corrections like the sharpness and brightness, contrast, and picture color. Then go back to fill and here adjust the transparency to your liking. You can drag this handle or you can just enter here a percentage. Let's insert or enter 50%. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.